Today, I'll show you how to create a gift card in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to encourage customer loyalty or offer a flexible gifting option, setting up a gift card on your Squarespace site is a straightforward process that can really enhance your online store. To start, you'll need to navigate to the product section of your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you can manage all the different items that you offer on your site, from physical goods to digital downloads. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create a new product. Click on this to get started. Now, among the choices, you'll find the option to create a gift card. Select this option to move forward. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the details of your gift card. This is an important step, as the information you provide here will be what your customers see when they consider purchasing a gift card from you. Make sure to choose a clear and enticing title for your gift card, something that reflects your brand and indicates its purpose. It's also a good idea to include a description that explains how the gift card can be used, any restrictions that might apply, and why it makes a great gift. Next, you'll want to set the denominations for the gift card. Consider offering a range of values so customers can choose the amount that best suits their needs. This flexibility can make your gift card more appealing to a wider audience. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything. Double check for any typos or errors and make sure that all the information is accurate and up to date. It's always a good idea to preview how your gift card will appear on your site to ensure it aligns with your overall design and branding. When you're happy with everything, it's time to publish your gift card. Simply hit the publish button and your gift card will go live on your site. Now, your customers can easily purchase gift cards directly from your online store, giving them a convenient and versatile option for gifting. A neat tip to remember: after publishing, you can always go back and edit the details of your gift card if needed. Whether you want to change the description, adjust the available denominations, or update any other information, Squarespace makes it easy to keep your offerings current. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created a gift card on Squarespace. This feature can be a valuable addition to your store, providing customers with a great gifting option and potentially increasing your sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling.